Hello everyone, in this video I am going to share TSEAMCET 2023 second phase predicted college list for BCE category. So this video is very important for you. See, so here you have to remember 2 points, okay? So 2 points. The first one is if you got allotment, okay, in first phase, okay, if you got allotment in first phase, you have self-reported it, okay, self-reported it, then you have to give only best options in this phase, okay, that is in second phase you have to give only best options if you got seat allotment and if you have already done self-reporting to that particular college. If not, if seat is not allotted, okay, so if seat is not allotted, then you have to give maximum options to ensure the seat in second phase counseling. Remember this point. So this is very important point in second phase counseling, okay? So many students will be doing mistake here. I request each and every student, please go through the complete video so that you will not be missing any important point, okay? So now let us have a look at the complete BCE web options list, okay? So we have uploaded all the branches cutoff ranks for BCE category. You can view it on our website, okay? So if you want to join in agriculture engineering, last year 76,430 was the cutoff ranks for BCE boys, and the same thing was for girls also. For example, you got seat in this CIC branch, that is CSC, IoT and blockchain technology. Now see, if you got seat in MBSR in this CIC branch, so the last year cutoff was 42,325. Now you have to give options to only the best colleges which is above this one, okay? So the cutoff was 42,325 and for the above college, that is CBIT, it was 6,919. So if you already got allotment in your first phase, please give options to only this first college, okay? So likewise you can view each and every branch, okay, each and every branch in our website. So I request each and everyone to utilize this data during your complete counseling process. I request each and everyone to please share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching the video. Please share with your friends.